Hello, my name is James Lopez, and this video is going to be about a Python program that I wrote earlier. The Python program to send an email with multiple attachments. I made an update. Ran it yesterday. Today I ran into some errors. I rewrote a couple of things. Nothing really difficult, but let me show you what I did. But it's just an update, so I'm gonna put it up there as another image, and it'll be attached to the original image, and you can just go ahead and download it. It'll have a different download data. But anyway, um, this is the old one, and this is the open statement for the image, and this is the image for the body. This was working all day yesterday. Today it didn't work. So I have two iterations up here, and it's this one without the statement, and then this one with the with statement. And all I added was this binary, this code right here, which allowed me to run it without any errors. So you can either run this one or this one. It's still the same. It's still the image body for the image. So this, and then I added the close on it. This is without the with statement. This is with the with statement because I had the with statement here. If you look at it, it's with statement. See, it doesn't have that extra code in there, which this one does. So anyway, it runs. You can comment that one out or use this one. It doesn't matter. Both of them work. Another update I made was I was talking about the loop, the iteration, the business part of it, and the old one over here. Let me show you. I had text file, then I had PDF, Word document, CSV, and then a JPEG. I upgraded that, and let me tell you what I did. Now, on the old one, this was written before because I used to have only one attachment. Then I wrote the other one. What if you see with the it's the same application octet stream application. So that means that I can run the text in with this loop. So what I did with the new one, that's what I did. I went ahead and I added, so this one is text, PDF, Word document, and CSV, all in the top if statement. And what I did was I added a video file and an MP3 file. One of the issues with this is that you have to be real careful because if you run this, say you run the video and the MP3 together, you're going to get this error. Your message exceeded Google's message size limits. It's too big. You know, as you already know, videos are big and MP3 files can be fairly big. And put together, you know, you can't send them. So you can send one or the other. So what I did was, when I rewrote it, what I did was up here, and you'll see it, that this is files. In other words, you have to run this one and this one. You can run some of these, so you're going to have to, you know, I did this for running the update to make sure they ran. So you would put this, if you're going to send just one MP3 file with maybe a text file, you can do that. But you can't run both of these at the same time. And you have to put them all in one. So this one would have to include one of the MP4s or one of the MP3s. That way you can include them here. See, the beauty about running this is you don't have to have all this. It can be one PDF, one MP3, and one TIFF. That's the beauty of it. It's only what you have in here, right? Which is the actual list. If it's in the list, but you can't put both of these. So what I would recommend is if you're running this and you only want to send MP3 files, then use one if statement, this one, and that, by the way, that's else if. I mean, I gotta do the caps. This is else if. So if, else if, else if. That's how you run that. It would have bombed if you would have just left it. I was updating it, so I was running this by itself. What I did was I commented this out. I just go in there and just comment it out like this, right? And I come over here and I comment this out, right? Comment that out, right? And then I change this just to if. And I might take off this whole OR and just run one of them. So what I did was that, just to make sure it ran. And then I changed it to go like that. And then I changed it to, right? MP3, I just go like that. And go like that. You know. Since I have it up there, it doesn't matter. And then I run this, right? But let me show you. So what I do was I just left it like that, right? And you can do what you want. I would recommend for MP3s or MP4s, go ahead and leave one. Just comment the top, comment it out, or just delete it altogether and just have one program. You know, this is to send MP3s. This is to send MP4s. But if you want to send a combination, you'd have to play with it a little bit just to get there. And I put the little error message here also. The limits per email is 25 megabytes or 25,000 kilobytes. So that's the limits on that. Other than that, it runs. It runs real good. I added that. Now I would say it's complete now. You have videos, images, and files. Just regular files right here. And these right here is just the documents I was using. You can see that right there. All the different, the PNG, PDF, MP3, MP4. I did that there. And then on the email, you can see it right here. This is the JPEG, see that? GIF, PDF, you see the PDF, it'll say right there. Text file there, it'll say text file, and then this is the CVS file. And this is the Word document. That's an older one. And then this is the one with the MP3. You see it? It's popping up, MP3. Along with the text file, another TIFF. This is a GIF. That's a PNG. All I did was put it in Paint, save as. Put it in Paint, save as. Same thing right here. Put it in Paint, save as. Because it's the same thing, the zebra. This is the body. You can look over here. You can see the body. Anyway, it works. And I'm going to put some more videos I'm going to create. And also, I'm going to put a subscribe button. And share the files. I'm going to try to monetize. Keep me going. You know, allow me to keep putting a lot of videos on there. I'm going to put a lot of GIS Python programs and other Python programs that I've written for the house. Stuff I've been working on for over 25 years. I'm going to put it all, especially my production. I work on those it take me a week, you know, to write them. I got some that are over 5,000 lines of code. And but it's all for GIS. You know, if you don't have a GIS system, it's not going to do you any good. Although you can use the examples of the code. I do it out loud. It's just like going on the web, looking for examples. You can take the examples. But anyway, you know, share it. And when I put my subscribe on there, subscribe. You can get a lot of people to look at it. I've been doing this 25 years. It's going to be all for free. I'm just going to put everything up there to let people use it. You know, they can use part of it, all of it. And anyway, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.